Hi and welcome back. In this module, we're going to consider business level reporting and insights available to you, including the Track Business page, the tracking menu, and individual business level reports available. The Panorama Track Business section is available to advisor, practice manager, and dealer group manager role types. It provides a powerful snapshot of the most popular business analytics. Advisors and practice managers can enter this tab to view information on net flows, active accounts, advice fees collected, funds under administration, and the top 10 accounts. Dealer group manager role types will have this as their Panorama homepage. The interactive graphs allow you to hover for more information and change the reporting period or view your after. The top 10 accounts can be viewed by either portfolio value or available cash, and the hyperlinks allow quick entry into these client accounts as required. Your tracking menu down the left navigation bar provides a selection of tools to assist in managing your day-to-day work in progress. Most of the functionality available here is covered in other courses, so we'll only touch on the purpose of each report and refer you to the relevant course for a more thorough explanation of the feature. First is order status, and here you'll find records of investment orders you've placed for your clients into any of Panorama's available underlying assets. You can search for trades on specific accounts or search for specific trades via its order ID and select a date range to search. You can filter by any status or focus on incomplete orders that are in progress or queued to be placed, or orders that have been completed, or those that have error or warning messages. Completed trades may have transaction confirmation notes and a market depth link for listed securities from this action icon. Trades with error or warning messages will display failed, cancelled, or expired orders and the reason why. For further information on placing investment orders and tools to monitor their status, please watch Module 3 of the Transactions and Investments course. The next tracking tool is Consent Management. This is your entry point to monitoring and managing all the consent requests you have with clients, both pending and completed. For a full understanding of Panorama's digital consent process, as well as your tracking tools for this functionality, please watch Course 7, Digital Consent with Integrated ROA, and Course 8, Advice Fees and Client Consent. You'll find all your current corporate actions here for applicable clients with listed securities. This is where you view details and manage your clients' participation in corporate actions. The process of managing corporate actions is covered in depth in Module 4 of our Transactions and Investments course. Tracking of your clients' term deposits is important, especially around the time of maturity when the principal and interest proceeds may become available for reinvestment. You can search for maturing term deposits as well as closed term deposits and those that have previously matured or been withdrawn early. Set the date range selector and use the filter and sorting tools to keep right on top of your clients' term deposit maturities. And these tracking reports are in addition to your homepage pending tasks box alert for term deposits and the reminder email advisors receive 10 calendar days prior to the client's term deposit maturity. Similarly, it is important that advisors stay on top of maturing annuities, and your tracking tools include the ability to view upcoming maturing Challenger annuities purchased via Panorama. Next, Panorama's electronic paperless client onboarding process means you can quickly and easily open new Panorama accounts for your clients. and the Account Applications Tracking tool keeps you informed of the progress of new client accounts. You'll know which stage new account applications are up to, from draft through submission and then gaining your client's electronic approval. Filter and sorting tools will assist you target application statuses, such as awaiting approval, where clients may need to be sent a reminder. Under Transitions, you'll find a handy dashboard to help you monitor the status of clients moving into Panorama from other wealth platforms. The Additional Services page allows you to monitor the progress of additional services being added to your client accounts. And lastly, the Withholding Tax Expiry Report is a very important tracking tool for you to monitor your client accounts with withholding tax forms submitted, such as the W8 BEN form. Clients holding expired withholding tax forms on file could pay more withholding tax upon receipt of investment income than they would otherwise pay with a valid form on file. Advisors can proactively manage expiries utilising filter and sorting tools to identify clients with forms lodged and expiry dates, and utilising a link to a range of withholding tax forms they can provide to their clients. You have a range of business level reports available to assist you manage your Panorama business and client accounts effectively. Entry into your business level reports and functionality is once again via the left-hand navigation menu. In Client Holdings, you can quickly identify clients holding specific managed or listed investments, as well as those linked to your advisor or model portfolios if relevant. You'll find a listing of each client account with exposure to that asset, along with a rolled up total holding for your business in that asset. Filter tools allow you to fine-tune your search, and a CSV file can be downloaded to view results in a spreadsheet. The Investment Breaches Report lists your Panorama accounts that are holding assets in breach of investment limits as per requirements in the product disclosure documents. Again, filter tools assist with producing a more specific report. The Model Portfolios page is where you can create and manage advisor portfolios. Advisor portfolios allow you to rebalance your clients' assets in their account in accordance with preset investment allocations and weightings. We'll cover the functionality in more depth in a dedicated learning course for Panorama's advisor portfolios. All your super and pension accounts will be listed here in alphabetical order, regardless of whether they have a nomination in place or not. The filter tool lets you select specific account types, and results can be sorted by account name or the last updated date. This tick box allows you to display only accounts without any beneficiary details. This is a handy report to run periodically to help ensure your clients' super account beneficiary nominations have been entered online. You'll see details including the number of beneficiaries, the date last updated, and you can click on the arrow to reveal details of the nominations. You can also click on the account name to go straight into that client's beneficiary details page, where beneficiaries can be managed. Beneficiaries on Panorama is covered in detail in the Panorama Super and Pension course. The Contribution Summary Report assists you to track a client's concessional and non-concessional contributions into their Panorama Super account over time, and the deductions claimed against personal contributions. Results for the current financial year are displayed by default, but you can select any previous period. The report will present data for the chosen period and the previous financial year, and conveniently includes the client's age and date of birth. You can sort the report by any of the data displayed to allow you to focus on areas of interest. Your business level insurance reporting we covered in another module. This was where you could view a listing of all the insurance policies funded by a Panorama account for your clients, with summary details. In tax invoices, you can view fee revenue statements. Note, statements are only produced for periods when fees have been charged. Under fees, you have access to business level reporting, displaying all active client accounts with and without advice fees. This report covers ongoing and fixed term advice fees, as well as portfolio management fees, and includes a filter tool to assist you with the day-to-day management of advice fees for your clients. The data feeds section allows you to manage the regular feed of your client's account data to a range of widely used financial planning software providers. Full details and information on data feeds is provided in Module 5 of the Panorama for Business course. Various reports you can run on Panorama will become available for collection from this location. An example of a report you might find for download here is the Tolerance Breach Report for advisor portfolios. Note that reports may only be available for download for a limited time before being removed. And finally, the DDO reporting tool is where you can report on the design and distribution obligations for the BT products recommended to your clients. From the perspective of managing your clients' cash balances, you should also be aware of the filter and sorting tools in the Clients and Accounts section. These tools can be used to assist your business with a strong oversight of the cash balances in your client accounts. You can select from the drop-down to provide a cash balance focused view of client accounts, including those with a cash investment strategy. You can also sort by available cash and use this filter option to view accounts in specific available cash bands. And that brings us to the end of this module. We've run through the business level reporting and tools that will assist you manage your client accounts and business with Panorama. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you again.